Apple has finally revealed iOS 27 at WWDC 2026, and it might actually be one of the biggest iPhone updates we've never seen in years. Not only is Apple introducing a smarter Siri powered by AI, we are also getting major improvements in photos, Siri, messages, and overall iPhone interface. But the biggest question is, when can you actually download iOS 27? In this video, I'm going to actually cover the official release date, the supported iPhones, the new features, whether it is actually worth upgrading. So guys, let's dive right into the video. You're welcome back to Ask Then or Fix. So during the WWDC 2026, Apple officially announced iOS 27 and showed off a huge number of improvements focused on AI, their performance, and also the usability. So the headline feature is Apple redesigned AI assistant, now called Siri AI. According to Apple, Siri AI can understand conversation more naturally, recognize what's on your screen, and even help complete tasks across multiple apps. So Apple just added smarter Siri browsing, AI-powered photo editing, better messages suggestions, improved parental controls, faster app performance, and enhanced Apple Intelligence feature across all systems. Now this is the part everyone has been waiting for. Apple announced iOS 27 at WWDC on June 8, 2026. The developer beta became available immediately after the keynote. The public beta is expected in July 2026, and the full public release is expected in September 2026 alongside with Apple next iPhone launch. While Apple hasn't announced the exact day yet, Apple traditionally released the official version shortly after the unveiling new iPhone in September. So these are the biggest features we're actually expecting to come on iOS 27. One is Siri AI. This is easily the biggest upgrade. Siri has now rebuilt its advanced AI capability, and it is now much more conversational. It can actually understand the contents better, work across apps, and even analyze information from your camera. So the second one is fast response. This Apple says that the launch is significantly going to be faster, which is to say that your videos, your photos are going to be loading more faster, the AirDrop transfer are going to be much more faster, and the overall responsiveness of the phone is all going to be more faster. And the third one here is better Photos app. The Apple actually introduced a new AI editing tool, which is to say that you can now remove unwanted objects, expand your photos beyond their original borders, and you can automatically improve framing after a picture is being taken. So the fourth one as well is smarter Siri, which is to say that Siri now include AI-powered tab organization and website monitoring features. This actually means that your browser can automatically help organize your browsing experience. So the fifth one here is improved messages, which is to say that they have actually made messaging much more easier, which is going to be powered by AI generated suggestions. So looking right here on the screen, one surprise announcement is that Apple is continuing support for older devices. Now reports from WWDC indicates that iOS 27 will support iPhones going all the way back to iPhone 11 lineup. However, some advanced AI features actually required newer iPhone because of the additional processing power needed. So even if your phone gets iOS 27, you may not receive every AI features Apple actually showcased. So if you're actually using iPhone 11 or lower iPhones, it's your time to upgrade. So what do you think about iOS 27? Are you still excited for the new Siri AI, or do you actually think Apple is still behind in the AI race? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple and tech updates. See you in the next one.